Even though corona period has been finished, there is no peace about health matters of both babies and adults. Fever, cough and flame will arrive within 1 week after the deprival of one fever. Things are beyond thoughts and decisions. How can we prevent this in native way? Take time and toss panikurkas in tulasi's leaves and squeeze it. Addition of honey into this extract and consuming this thrice-leaf helps in the shaking of flame, especially for infants. Take one bowl and put 2 teaspoons jaggery powder and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Garlic powder is also suitable. Then half tablespoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon melted ghee should also be added. Mix this properly and roll into a size of a small sweet. Give this to infants. It is very good.